I want to introduce a research method called facial recognition. Facial recognition is a computer application capable of identifying or verifying a person from a digital image or video frame from a video source. Facial recognition is alive and flourishing. It's used in many broad areas, including social networking, photo editing, security, law enforcement, casinos, and in other places that you might not expect it. As anyone who's ever used a character builder in the video game can tell you, our unique faces are comprised of variation on several main features. Capturing the emotion of players could be used in an interactive game for various purposes, such as transferring the player's emotion to his or her character created in the game, or activating suitable action to communicate with others in various scenarios. Facial recognition software takes your features and turns them into a numerical code. Comparing this code or face prints with any database or photos, and you can start making matches and identifications. Many people might be curious about how can a person be recognized by a computer. As long as you have at least one picture of your face publicly available online, then you can be recognized. The more photos there are of you on the internet, the greater the chance of the facial recognition software finding a match. Facial recognition has its benefits, especially for certain groups and activities. First, it provides greater access to information. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, then a picture associated with database of internet data is worth an encyclopedia. You could learn all about someone with a single photo. Second, that can be very useful for criminal identification. If you have a database of known criminals, you could scan a public area for wanted felons. In addition, this technique can be very important in game industry. The experience using face recognition of players in an intelligent game system can become more interactive, vivid, and attractive. Players will feel more realistic and be immersed in the game rather than have a default character. One of the most important examples of facial recognition in the video games is NBA 2K17. In this game, all players can scan their own face and play alongside their favorite athletes. Players can download an app to scan their own face and upload their image to the server. After that, the game processes the player's face using 3D mapping so that the players could put their face in the game. While the result was sometimes less than optimal and unpleasant, the video game industry is paying attention to facial recognition technology, and it's only going to become better and better. Now here's my question. Since facial recognition technique is becoming more and more popular these days, what are the risks of facial recognition technique? Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.